This ReeceNichols Blue Springs property video is presented by Janice Cunha. Lots of new, adorable cottage at the lake. Full of charm and character, this home has been completely renovated. Features include gourmet kit west/granite and stainless steel, beautiful wood ceilings. Liv Rm has vault ceilings west/floor to ceiling fireplace plus loft for possible fourth bedroom. Master suite was just completed and offers a spa-like experience. Excellent entertaining space on LG front deck or back patio with lake views. The dock is just a stone throws away from the deck. Enjoy life's little pleasures at Lake Tapawingo. For more information, review the details below or contact Janice Cunha at 816-655-6607.